Architectural Design Principles, Building Better Spaces. Hi everyone, welcome to Architectural Insights. Today we're exploring the core principles that make architectural designs both functional and inspiring. Whether you're an architecture student, a design enthusiast, or just curious about how buildings come to life, this video is for you. What are architectural design principles? So, what exactly are architectural design principles? These are fundamental concepts that guide architects in creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and sustainable. They help in ensuring that buildings meet both their practical needs and their artistic aspirations. Let's break down some of the key architectural design principles: proportion, scale, balance, rhythm, and unity. Each plays a critical role in crafting buildings that work well and look great. 1. Proportion. First up is proportion. Proportion refers to the relationship between different elements of a design. It's about how the sizes and dimensions of various parts of a building relate to each other and to the human scale. Good proportion ensures that a building feels harmonious and comfortable. Examples of buildings with well-considered proportion. Take a look at these buildings. Notice how the proportions of windows, doors, and overall mass create a pleasing visual harmony. Proportion can influence everything from the aesthetic appeal to how a space feels when you're inside it. 2. Scale. Next is scale. Scale refers to the size of a building or its components in relation to its surroundings and human beings. It's about making sure that a structure feels right in its context, whether it's a towering skyscraper or a cozy house. Examples of different scales in architecture. Here you can see how scale affects our perception of a building. A high-rise building should scale well with its urban environment, while a small cottage should blend seamlessly into a more intimate setting. 3. Balance. Balance is another crucial principle. It refers to the distribution of visual weight in a design. Just like in graphic design, balance in architecture can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance creates a sense of order, while asymmetrical balance can add dynamic interest. Examples of both symmetrical and asymmetrical designs. Check out these examples. The symmetrical design feels formal and stable, while the asymmetrical one adds a sense of movement and excitement. 4. Rhythm. Rhythm in architecture involves repeating elements or patterns to create a sense of movement and continuity. It can be achieved through the repetition of materials, shapes, or even window placements. Examples: rhythmic architectural designs.